So first let us try without index. Okay, your data frame has been created. Now you can check by typing df1. Look here, the data frame has been created with the index, that is row number 0 and 1, and with the columns 0, 1 and 2. So simply, as I told, 2 rows and 3 columns have been formed with the help of this 2D array, two-dimensional array. Have you all understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Now let us create the another data frame like df2. Now this time let us create with the index also. pd dot data frame, then in the parentheses write the name of array, array1, comma, you can put the index plus column also. So index you can write index equal to, you can write list of a b c, sorry a b, only 2 rows are there na, so only a b, and then you can write columns equal to, you can write list of first, second, third, or numbers you can give 1, 2, 3. Okay, then close the parenthesis and press the enter key. Now your df2 has been created with index, that is row heading plus column heading also. So let us check it by typing df2. Look, here is the data frame with the index a and b, and with the column headings 1, 2 and 3. So this is the way how we create data frame by using a 2D array, 2D ND array. ND array means NumPy data array. So now further you can see, so this was the creation of data frame with 2D array. Then we have data frame with the help of series object. If we have any series object, so by series object also we can create. And this question has also been given in your homework that has to be written in practical file. Okay. So you can create how, first let us create a series with the index, and kindly remember when you create series with the index, so in 2 or 3 series the index will be same. If you put the index same in every series, then the rows will be formed, because that will work as the internal index. The index of series will work as the internal index of data frame, that will be the row headings, and the dictionary key will work as the column heading. So now kindly see, first I will create 3 series, 3 or 2 series, whatever you have. Then after that we will create a dictionary with the keys and values as the series name, and then we will create the data frame. So kindly see here, simply first let us write series 1. Whatever is given same we can give, or we can give different values also, no matter. There is population, average income and per capita income. So let us write series 1, or we can give the population series name. Okay, population, the series name is population, PPLTN is equal to PD dot series. Then in the parenthesis, we can write the values. Okay, the values can be given in the form of list, and after that the index can be given. As here you can see, population equal to values, and then comma index is written. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let us write the value in the form of list. Suppose the population of 4 cities. We are going to give the population of 4 cities. So let us write, suppose 1 crore 25 lakh, comma, then the population of second city, suppose 1 crore 10 11 lakh. Okay, then 1 crore 20 lakh, 20 lakh, 3 to 5 6, yes, comma, then suppose 90 lakh. 90 lakh is correct. So these are the population of 4 cities. The population of first city is 1 crore 25 lakh. Second city 1 crore 11 lakh. Then the third city 1 crore 20 lakh, and fourth city 90 lakh. Okay.
9 crore.
This is 9 crore. Now 1 0 we remove, 90 lakh. Now it is okay. Now put comma, write the index. Index, suppose our index is the name of 4 cities we can give. Let us write, suppose Delhi, Mumbai. Okay, comma, then Kolkata. Kolkata, okay, comma, then Chennai. Then close the parenthesis. Now your first series will be formed. Okay, first series has been formed. Now you can check your series by printing PPLTN. LTN. Okay, this is your series. Can you see the series?
Yes, sir.
Let us copy the same
Yes,
thing,
sir.
and now let us type for the average income. Copy and just change the values only. Write here the identifier name as average income, AVG, AVGINC, AVGINC. Okay. Then write PD.series. Now average income as given here, you can see it is, I think, more than the population. So we can give in many digits. Here we can give, suppose 11 lakh, 11 crore 25 lakh. Here we can give 10 crore 11 lakh. Here we can give 10 crore 20 lakh. Here we can give 9 crore. Okay, and the cities will be same. One digit we have increased in the average income. It should be more, but I have just given one example. Okay, then the index will be same. Now you can check this one also. This is your series of average income. Now let us type what we have to calculate per capita income. And you know the formula to calculate per capita income is divide the income by the population. Divide the income by the population. So simply we can write per capita, a variable name per capita is equal to, just divide the income. What is the income? AVG income, AVG INC. This is the variable of income. Okay, the series of income divided by the series of population. What is the series of population? PPLTN. So we can divide it, PPLTN. Okay, as you know, because we can perform vector operation on the series, means each value will be calculated by itself. If you perform any operation, multiplication, division, subtraction, that will be performed on each and every element, individual element. So what will happen? The income will be divided by the number of population. Now let us press the enter key.
Sir, population spelling.
Yes, sir.
PPLTN.
Sorry.
LT.
Variable name is wrong. Variable name is wrong. That's why it has produced error. PPLTN it should be. Now it has calculated. Okay, now you can check per capita. You can type. See, this is the per capita income. Okay. So now you have seen 3 series have been created. PPLTN population, AVG income for average income, and per capita for per capita income. Now what we do, let us create a dictionary. Let us write dict1 equal to, let us provide the key and the values will be provided as the series names. Whatever the series names are there, they will be provided as the values. And the keys, whatever external keys you want for the column, you can put here. So let us write here like population. First column will be population now. So we can write population, the first key, and before this the value, what value we will put? PPLTN. For the key population we will put PPLTN value, comma. Then second key, let us put average income. Average income. Okay, and for this the value will be identifier of AVG income, AVG INC. So we can write AVG INC. Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then comma, let us write the third variable. What is the third key? Per capita income. Per capita income. Per capita income. And the value of this will be per capita. The variable per capita will be the value. Okay. Now close the dictionary. Sorry, this one. Dictionary is closed. Now you can print your dictionary, dict1. This is your dictionary. Okay. Now from this dictionary, let us create the data frame. 3 processes there. First, you have to create the series. Then you have to create the dictionary from the series. And then from the dictionary, you have to create the data frame. Now let us write data frame. Suppose df3 equal to pd dot data frame. Pd dot data frame. In parentheses, you can write the variable name of dictionary dict1. Dict1. Now from dictionary 1, the data frame will be created named as df3. It is created. Now you can print your df data frame. Look here. The data frame has been created and it has been printed in the form of table. So the rows names are, row headings are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. The population is given here, average income of each city, and then per capita income of each city. Okay, it should be more, but I had given less value. That's why the per capita income is coming very less. 9, 9.1, 8.5 or 10. Like this it is coming. Okay. So I hope you have understood this, how to create a data frame from a 2D dictionary having the values as series object. Any problem in
Yes,
this?
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So let us now proceed. That was the same, that if you want to define your own column by your own method, so that you can define manually, it is given, that I have already done. Now the next method, if you have already created a data frame, so that can also be used to create a new data frame. Do you know or not? If we have already created, like df3 we have created already. So from this data frame, we can create a new data frame. Simply we can assign it to a new variable by writing the same syntax, pd.dataframe and then this data frame name. Okay, it is very simple. Like here written, dtf4 is equal to pd.dataframe, then in the parenthesis, dtf3 is written. So with one data frame, another data frame can be easily created. Now we have some attributes. Can you see some properties of the data frame? So what are the properties or attributes? Like index. If you want to find out the index, that is row headings of the data frame, so you can write the attribute name index, df.index. In the same way, if you want to find out the column headings, column labels, so you can use the attribute columns. Axis means if you want to find out both the headings, row headings plus column headings, both together, both the axis, then you can use the attribute axis. D type means data types. It returns the data types found in the data frame. Size is it returns the number of elements present in your database. How it will find the element, number of element? By multiplying the number of rows and number of columns. Shape, it returns the tuple representing the dimensionality of the data frame. Means how many dimensions are there in your data frame. So mostly in the data frame, we always have 2 dimensions. Values, it returns a numpy representation of the data frame. Means all the values will be taken and represented in the form of array. Empty, it indicates whether your data frame is empty or not. Ndim, that returns an integer representing the number of axes or number of array dimensions. T means the transpose. Do you know transpose? Means it makes just opposite everything. Rows will become column and column will become rows. There is a question also in the homework what I had given. In that the question is there, transpose the matrix, transpose the data frame.
Yes.
So for that you can use the T attribute. So let us see this one by one. Suppose if you want to check the index of your data frame, simply you can write df3.index. df3.index. Press the enter key. Now it is showing the index of your data frame. Index means the row headings. Row headings are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. Columns, you can write df3.columns. See, these are the columns. Not only this, you can check as well as you can assign a new index, new columns by using these attributes. If you want to change the city names, what will you do? In the current data frame, if you want to change the city names, that is row headings. So what will you do? You can use this attribute, df3.index is equal to the new index in the form of list. Like here, I am writing, just see, if I want to change the city names, so what I will write? I will write df3.index is equal to, in the form of list, I will provide new values, new index. Suppose now this time I want Hyderabad. Okay, Hyderabad, comma, then I want Pune, then I want Lucknow, then I want Varanasi. Okay. Now this will become your new index of the data frame. That is DF3. Hyderabad, Pune, Lucknow, and Varanasi. But remember, the length of list should be same as the length of row headings. Now the index has been changed. Index of your DF3, data frame 3 has been changed. Now you can see DF3, see the new index. Before it was Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. And now this time it has been Hyderabad, Pune, Lucknow, and Varanasi. Did you understand how to change?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can check the index and columns, as well as you can assign new index, new columns by using these attributes. So next one we have access. Access we have. Sorry, df3.access. df3.access. It will show both the row headings and the column headings. See here, the index, that is row headings, are here, and then the column headings are here. Then the next one we have data types, size, and shape. So you can write df3.dtype. Press the enter key. Sorry, d types it is. I had given d type. df3.dtypes. See here, all the columns having different data types. It is showing, okay, population int 64, average income int 64, and per capita income float 64. Then we have size and shape. df3.size. It will show the number of elements. So total number of elements are 12. 3 rows and 4 columns are there. So 3 into 4, that is 12, total number of elements. Then the shape, df3.shape. 4, 3, 4 columns and 3 rows. This is the shape of your DF, data frame. Then values. If you want to see only the values except the rows and columns, so you can use values attribute. df3.values. So these are the values available in your data frame. It is not showing the row headings or column headings. Without row headings, without column headings, the values have been displayed in the form of array. After that, we have emptiness, means it checks whether the data frame is empty or not. And then we have the dimension, end dimension, and transpose. So let us write df3.empty. False means your data frame is not empty. There are values. Then you can check the dimension, number of dimension, df3.ending. The attribute is df3.ending. So number of dimension is 2. Means your data frame is having 2 dimensions. That is row and column. Then there is transpose. Next attribute of the data frame, transpose the matrix or transpose the data frame. So simply you can write df3.t. If you write df3.t, it will just transpose your data frame. Look here. Now your data frame has been transposed, or you can say rows have become column and columns have become row. But remember, it has not been done on the place. If you check your df3, it is not modified. Only at the current time it shows. So what you will do, if you want it as a permanent changing, so you can assign it to a new variable. Like you can write df4 is equal to df3.t. Now the transposed matrix has been assigned to df4. Now if you check df4, then it has a transposed matrix. So kindly remember this. This I have given the question also in your homework. So I hope you all have understood. Any problem? Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. Let me take attendance, then you can leave.